What's up, y'all? It's your girl Nancy, and today we're gonna be doing the Ratchet prank. And my boyfriend has no idea. We're about to go out to eat, so I'm gonna just act like it the whole time, and let's see his reaction. I know he's gonna be like, "What the hell wrong with you?" But it's all right though, because I'm gonna get on his nerve today. And y'all make sure y'all go like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and make sure y'all watch the video all the way to the end, because it's gonna be really funny. I'm trying to tell you right now, okay? Ooh. My head be itching. Your head be itching too? Just tap it.
Making my head itch. Oh, wait, man. We gonna fly through the light like hell. If the police get behind me and ain't stopping, I'ma burn out.
Where we going?
Get some food.
Where?
This nigga like Chick-fil-A.
I don't want Chick-fil-A.
Damn, Miss Rude. Take your ass to Sonic.
I don't like Sonic.
You gonna like a sandwich at home in a minute.
No,
Talking about I don't like Sonic.
I don't.
Well, that's too
Boo-boo.
bad. Oh, no.
Boo-boo.
We're not gonna start that.
Stop where?
All that extra shit. Now, while I'm
You sure you don't want gum?
Nah, I'm alright.
You sure?
Yeah.
I don't want my gum no more.
What you want? Oh, man. You child. It's not you so loud.
I'm sure if I want to. Can you give me like cheddars or something?
Cheddar. I was thinking like Chick-fil-A.
No, I don't know Chick-fil-A. I want some cheddar.
I'm thinking like McDonald's shit.
McDonald's food.
Keep it up.
I don't like McDonald's.
Take your ass and play park.
I want Chick-fil-A. Nah.
What's
want
that?
cheddar.
What's that I hear? Wendy's? 4 for 4 for 4.
I want cheddars.
Wendy's?
Cheddars.
Wendy's? Well, you popping this gum, you don't need no damn cheddars. You got some cheddar?
I want some cheddars.
You got some
Boo-boo.
cheddar? I'm talking about cheddars.
I can pop my gum if I want.
You can pop your ass out this car.
No. Who gonna stop me?
Talking about-
Nobody.
I'm like, pop my gun if I want to. What the fuck?
I can. Boo boo.
Oh, Lord.
So you'll give me cheddars?
I told you if you got some cheddar, we can get cheddars. No cheddar, no cheddars. Simple.
You sure you don't look gum? Your breath kind of smell.
Well, guess that my breath kind of smell.
It smell.
Maybe you smelling cheddars, boo-boo, all in your mouth. Because I don't know.
It smell.
Talking about my breath kind of smell. Like a nigga don't brush his teeth.
Oh, what's a piece?
Minty fresh.
Here's a piece.
I'm out. I might.
It's for you.
I don't want it. Return the sender. Return that shit. I got something better for you. We ain't gonna make it to Cheddar's. We ain't gonna make it to McDonald's. We ain't gonna make it to Burger King. As soon as we exit this freeway and look to the right up the street a little block, there's a Jack in the Box. That's what I'm taking you at. You like tacos? Yeah, they gourmet tacos. I'm talking about lettuce and tomatoes, all that shit. Little cheese, you know, I know you like cheese, but you talking about cheddars.
Hey, AJ!
Yeah, stop.
No. I don't want to hear none of that. We're going to Cheddar's.
We're going to Jack in the Box.
Might as well go to Burger Port. Let's go to Burger Port.
No.
Yes.
That's too far. We ain't even gonna make it down. No, we're not.
I want Burger Port.
Not the way you popping this gun. We're not. I'm gonna stop this bitch right now. You might be throwing lice on me or something.
Lice.
I'm itching now.
Boy,
I'm about to pull this motherfucker over.
maybe you should pat your back because you itching.
You going Jack in the Box.
You itching? You itching? I don't want no Jack in the Box.
Too bad. That's what you about to get.
What are you doing here?
You getting some Jack in the Box.
I don't want no Jack in the Box.
That's what you about to get.
Where are you going?
Get some Jack in the Box. I'll be right back.
No, I don't want no Jack in the Box. Babe, come here. I don't want no Jack in the Box.
Y'all, I'm finna get you some tacos.
I don't want no tacos.
I'm finna get you some tacos.
For what?
You talking about you hungry?
Okay, we can go to Cheddar's.
What's wrong with this? They got cheddar on the tacos,
I
cheddar
don't
cheese.
want Jack in the Box.
It's good. It's healthy.
No.
It's nutritious. I'm telling you, watch. Jack fed all his kids out these tacos.
Boy, if you don't get in the car, I don't want that.
Oh my God. We're not going to no one. We're not going to Cheddar's. Let me tell you that.
So where we going?
I'm at Jack in the Box. I bring you somewhere to eat. Talking about you not hungry. If you're not hungry, then why we going to Cheddar's?
Cause I don't want that.
Well, just chew that gum and eat that gum. That's gonna have to fill you up, baby girl. You got to look. Oh, you want Dairy Queen?
No.
You want Dairy Queen?
No, I don't want none of that.
I ain't going to Cheddar's. It's not gonna make it.
Well, my hair. Whew. My hair long, huh? It's long, huh? Is my hair long?
Yeah, it's finna get short. Gonna be short real soon. Cut that shit. What's that? Some really?
You know who I am?
Who?
Nancy.
Oh, that's nice.
Look.
Finna be walking Nancy. They'll be like, there go Nancy walking.
Well, we fine over there.
Walking Nancy.
That boy fine.
Yeah, I bet it is. You wanna ride with him?
No.
Get your ass up this
Maybe he'll take me to Cheddar's.
Maybe he would. Let's go see. You can get out of the seat.
Boy, you better go to the green light.
Stop this motherfucker. Oh, they mad. They mad, man. But hey, turns up with you, brother. Yeah.
It's the forehead for me.
Oh, my God. Cops gonna get me. Riding with you. Riding with you, girl. Could you not?
Now what?
Just so loud, like, I know you got like a disorder or something. I don't know. Shit.
Disorder?
Sound like a camel.
A camel?
A camel eating. You chewing it, man. Could you like clean your hair that way? Over there, out my face. Please, thank you. Thank you.
Who you talking to like that, boy?
The only other person in
No.
the owl in the
No.
car. The owl in the car.
No. Don't talk to me like that no more. you mad? Hello? I'm talking to you. Hello? So you mad? What? 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 What?
I ain't mad. You finna be mad.
For what?
Just finna get the fuck up out of here.
Get out of what?
This car.
Get her what car?
You finna get up out of here.
Boy?
Yeah, it's time to roll out. Check out. It's time to go.
Go where?
It's time to go.
Where?
Out the car.
What
Out
car
the car.
am I getting out?
I don't even have to stop at this point. You can roll
what-
out.
What car am I getting
There's a
out?
whole bunch of
Why
grass
is
right
you
there.
mad for, AJ?
There's a whole bunch of grass right there. You can roll out. Just roll out.
So you
Do
mad?
something to you.
So you mad?
I do something to you. Just
Do
roll
what?
out. Just roll out.
So you mad?
Remember how Gucci Mane pushed that girl out on the freeway? Roll out.
That's why I got my seatbelt on.
That bitch can
That's
come
why I got
off.
my seatbelt on.
Don't roll out. Roll out.
Nope.
It's time to get out.
Oh, AJ.
Let me go and get you home.
Give me home.
Yeah, let me drop you off. You gotta go home.
Where am I going?
We're not gonna make it to Cheddar's. Cheddar's is closed, by the way. Okay.
It is not
So
closed.
we're not gonna make it to Cheddar's. I'm gonna let you know that now. And I don't know.
So you mad?
I ain't mad.
You annoyed?
I'm annoyed. Lord,
Why?
You got to get out.
Why are you annoyed?
Because you're being weird.
How am I being weird?
You got to get out, baby.
How am I being weird?
I don't know. I'm about to show you.
How am I being
I'm about
weird?
to show you.
Huh?
What speed limit is this?
How am I being weird?
The speed limit is 80.
Hello? How am I being weird?
I'm about to show you.
I know you hear me.
I just hear you.
Boo boo, I know you hear me.
Sound like a fucking seal.
Hello?
I got clapped too.
Hello? You mad? You big mad?
I can't even be mad. I'm sad. That's all it is. I'm sad. I'm sad. I'm crying. I'm crying. Lord help me. The spics open. I take the shot.
Where you going?
I'm finna get out.
Why?
I gotta go.
Go where?
I just got to go.
Where are you going?
I'm going somewhere.
Where?
No, I'm going.
Where?
I gotta go.
Where are you leaving?
Nobody.
Babe! Babe! Come here! It's just a prank! It's the Ratchet prank!
This guy here.
It was getting mad?
Yeah.
Why?
You play too much.
I got your ass. Y'all make sure y'all go like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.